Welcome back. This week we're embarking on a brand new adventure. In this series, we'll be exploring Dorset with a cheeky little dip into Devon. Join us as we head west to explore some historic ruins, take a boat ride to get an up-close view of the stunning Jurassic coast, and even find some American barbecue. Hi, we're Kathryn and Edward. We met 13 years ago when we were both on round-the-world adventures. Since then, I moved from New York to join Edward in London, and we've been traveling as much as possible ever since. A few years ago, we started filming our adventures and thought it would be fun to share them with you. They are a bit rough around the edges, and not everything goes quite to plan. However, every minute is fun. Our first stop was Old Sarum, the earliest settlement of the nearby Salisbury. It's easy to see the remains of various buildings in the castle, as well as the cathedral in the distance. The area was abandoned in the 14th century, but continued to have representation in Parliament well into the 18th century. This made it one of England's early rotten boroughs.
Stone on them and in the stone, and then they just fill the middle with flint.
Guess what these are?
Are they the waste chute?
It is, but it wasn't flushed by water. Instead, the pit was filled with straw and bark chippings.
Oh, lovely.
And then, occasionally, someone had to be lowered in to clean it out. Ugh.
It wouldn't be your job, would it?
No.
Pretty classic place in the 12th century.
Next up was Old Wardour Castle. Built in the 14th century, the castle was destroyed in 1643 during the English Civil War.
If, in the 18th century, a park had to have a landscape, was the height of fashion in the 18th century, and if there was no natural cave to develop, then one could be created. What was required was something highly romantic, and like the ruins, full of mystery and wonder. Water, or at least the illusion of it, was crucial to the effect, as were moss, ferns, stalactites and stalagmites.
Yeah, I'm in the grotto.
What do you think about the grotto?
It's cold, dark, damp. Well, not too damp. It's probably a good place to store wine and beer. I'm not going to build one at the bottom of the garden.
Oh, but I always wanted my own folly.
You married the wrong bloke for that, love. Can you fix my hair in post?
No. Look at all the graffiti.
Yeah.
Imagine the bustling scene here in the 14th century when the castle was new, with servants going about their duties, guests arriving, and Lord Lovell and his family passing through. Courtyards like this were the gossip centers of their age. Is that concrete or wood?
It's concrete.
Huh.
They put the tables up, which is plywood, and then when they strike the formwork, the pattern of the plywood is cast into the concrete.
Learn something new every day.
I can't see the steps because of my mask.
What is that?
It's a little anti-boom. It's not very wide, it's just the widest I've heard.
These stairs seem to have a problem. Because there are no more of them. Edward said I couldn't jump.
Yeah.
Does this view work for you?
Well, I've got a view of the castle, but you got a nice view of the river, so I suppose we're both alright.
Well, I have a nice view of you.
Oh, that's good.
We arrived in Exmouth late in the day, and after dinner and a quick wander, we called it a night. The next morning, it was time to explore.
Yeah. What do you think of Exmouth then?
I mean, it's alright.
Are you the right temperature?
It could be a little bit warmer, but I mean, it's the end of September. Very pretty. Not my favorite beach huts.
So where are we then? What are we doing?
Oh, thank you. We're going on a 3-hour cruise.
We're looking at it.
We're gonna go see the Jurassic because I know you know those years off the top of your head. Look how pretty.
Yeah, the car park.
The water. So you excited?
I'm excited. I'm excited to watch you fall off the boat.
Would you try that again?
I'm excited, yeah. I think it's going to be a good trip. Can you fix my hair in post?
No. We've
I'll
been
stop
through this.
asking. That's why that and it'll be alright. It's alright. It's my trademark. No, I think it should be good. I think it's going to be very picturesque. It's very sunny. It's about 60 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit, and
You
it's
say
quite,
60 Celsius. That's
yeah.
like terms of the sun.
It is very windy, and I hope it's not going to be too choppy. Otherwise, I'll be holding your hair back while you chuck up all over the side.
Just grab the camera so I don't throw up on the camera.
Okay.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out alone,
What do you think?
It's alright. expect Sundays to be thrown.
Despite not being able to hear much of the commentary, the views were stunning and we truly enjoyed our boat tour.
Can't let you go, 'cause I love you, 'cause I love you, yeah. There was a time I didn't
We spent the rest of the afternoon wandering around the charming streets of Exmouth.
felt it was my chance. Well, nobody tells me good things about you, baby.
That night, we went to an American-style barbecue restaurant called the Pig and Pallet. It was a really nice change and definitely something that I've been missing since we've not been able to travel to the States.
There you go, yeah.
Thank you for joining us for the first few days of our brand new adventure. The boat trip was a real highlight. Let us know in the comments if you like boat tours and where we should go on one next. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. There are more adventures to come.